Hi, I'm Kelly Doyle with Realty Executives and Kelly Doyle Homes, and I am standing in front of my new listing at 117 Shato Lane in the city of Monona in Conservancy Creek Condo Association. This is a wonderful association where the residents here have a really good sense of community. Let's go on in, check out the only unit currently available in Conservancy Creek, and find out the top 3 things that I know you're going to absolutely love about this condo. Welcome inside. So my number 3 top favorite thing I know you're gonna love about this condo is the space. With over 1,400 square feet on just the main level, this is definitely gonna give you the room to breathe that you're looking for. It offers 2 main level living areas, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. You're definitely gonna enjoy the space this is gonna give you. And on top of that, you get to enjoy the easy maintenance lifestyle that condo living brings. Okay, and the number 2 thing that I know you're gonna love about this condo is the fact that this association is right next to Edna Taylor Conservation Park. So you get to come out on your deck and enjoy beautiful views of nature. And the other thing you're gonna love is the fact that this unit is a corner unit. So it's not squished in between 2 other units. You get 2 beautiful walls of lots of windows and sunlight pouring in. So come out on your deck, enjoy the nature, and according to some of the residents, you might even get lucky enough to spot some wildlife. And my number 1 favorite thing about this condo is the location. Being here in the city of Monona awards you the ability to be close to some really great local area restaurants, cafes, and shopping, which are just a couple minutes from your front door. And it also has super easy access to the Beltline, so you can get to where you're going to quickly. Come and check out this location. There's a ton to offer. Thank you so much for checking out my condo at 117 Shato Lane in the city of Monona. If you are interested in taking a tour, or if you have any questions, feel free to call or text me at 608-669-1010. Or for full property details, feel free to check out the site at allthingsmonona.com.